Hi friends, today I am going to share the notations for this lovely number composed by A.R. Rahman. The sa for this song is at G and the beat is 3/4. I will play the notations for each line slowly at first and repeat it 3 times so that you can play along. The second section of the first line is played again, slightly differently. This is a preview. You can find the complete tutorial at swaracollective.com. Please follow the link in the description. Thanks for watching and do let us know which other songs you would like to learn the notations for.